Hi everyone, Paula Jo from SederQuilts. Oh my goodness, what a year this has been. As some of you may know, about a year ago we were supposed to be having Karen Hogan here for a class on art and stitch, and I had so many projects planned to do while she was here and teach some really fun classes on Pro Stitcher and just some other really cool stuff. But one of the projects that I made a pattern for is to make bags. And I have a lot of home decor fabrics that are just gorgeous. A lot of them are 100% cotton, and I've had them for a number of years, and I was always planning on making more bags. Oh my goodness, I used to make gobs and gobs of bags. But anyway, I wrote up a pattern in Pro Stitcher to stitch out a bag. You have the front, you have the back, you have the two sides, and you have the bottom all in one fell swoop. And then you can stitch out your favorite designs and have some fun stretching and resizing things so that they all fit. And I made up a couple of sample ones that I was going to then teach how to do this and use the pattern in my classes. But as with everything last year, things got canceled out. My plan was that you could add whatever design you wanted to personalize your bag and make it your own based on a simple design. Based on about 20 inches deep and about 46 inches wide. And it'll stitch out your boundaries for you, and then you can place your designs. Depending on your throat space and or the size of the fabric you're using, you can mark your safety zone and the size of the fabric, and then either crop away the extra and reposition and do that, or you could resize the design to fit within your space, or make up your own design. It all works. Lots of good options. So in addition to the bags that you can make with the pattern as I was showing you, I used to make lots and lots of bags, and whatever size fabric I have, I would just make the bag the size that I could make it. A lot of these have extra pockets. I oftentimes would add a button and a strap. Most of them were reversible, so you could turn them inside out. And I have just used these bags so much. Because we're starting with a home decor fabric, they are so sturdy. You can wash them and use them over and over and over again, and they're just so handy. So you can add a long skinny strap, or you can add a heavy braided, what are those web type ones, and add a little to it. But oh my goodness, I have made bags in all sorts of different sizes, and like I said, usually they're reversible, and you can make these whatever size works for you, and add little, I used to add all sorts of little details, old buckles from belts and things. I oftentimes would use belts for the straps, and sometimes I would make little ones. This one is just perfect for putting my iPad in, and then it's got a nice long strap so that I can keep it nice and close and handy. But there are lots of ways that you can make bags with these home decor fabrics. I've made a lot of quilts with them. They work really well if you add them to denim and chambray type fabrics to make a camping quilt. There are lots of ways you can use these kits. Just a few other ideas. Here's a more traditional type tote bag. And again, it's all reversible inside out, and it's cute either which way. Pockets on both sides. It's just so cute. Another thing that I have used these fabrics for is for little cases for my laptops, so that when I'm traveling back and forth, I can keep them protected well. I even have a little pencil sleeve in the corner of this one for my eye pencil, and it keeps it nice and safe. And then I have little bags for my what's that thing I always the mouse and the power cord, and they all kind of coordinate, mix and match and whatnot. So yeah, there's lots of things you can do with these home decor fabrics. I recently made some cubby drawers too.
Oh, they turned out really well.
So anyway, I am in the process of doing some remodeling around here and some painting, and so my husband, Mr. Tall, Dark, Handsome, and Helpful, has said that I have got to start cleaning out some things so he can paint. So anyway, I am going through my home decor bag fabrics. They're like heavy denim, but more sewable than denim. And I have lots and lots and lots of things that coordinate and are all cute. So anyway, I am going to be making some kits and putting them on my website to sell. And then we have things that coordinate and go with them. So anyway, I'm going to be making up some packages that will fit in a priority mail bag, and you can purchase these and I will mail them out to you. And I think I will include the pattern for how to create this bag that you can stitch out on your machine. I have a Fusion, but it is resizable, just like everything else we use with digital patterns. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick little peek. These are just my blue ones. I've got reds and golds and creams, and I've got lots of things to go through. But anyway, oh yeah, a lot of these are just so cute, and oh my goodness, I just loved this one. This is so yummy, yummy, yummy. And I've even got this one cut out with a coordinating lining fabric. It's all pre-sized and everything, but anyway, when we show pictures of these fabrics in the kits, I'm going to hang them on my design wall. The blocks that you can see on my design wall are 10 inches square. So that'll give you a quick little idea of how big the fabric is. And on some of these, it's already a double layer. It's twice as long as what's on here. And so we'll try to indicate the basic sizes, but you'll be able to see how much fabric you have. You know, if you think of the wall this big, you'll have an idea of how much fabric you're getting. The biggest thing for us is how much fabric can we put in one envelope. The kits are going to be able to fit in here, and then yeah, the sizes are going to be all assorted sizes, but they will all fit in here, and you'll be able to see the basic sizes in relationship to my 10-inch square blocks on the wall. So I want you to go to our website and purchase some of these kits, and then send us pictures of what you make from them, or tell us in the comments and descriptions what you plan to make with these. And as I said before, this is all a fundraiser for my dear Lori, and so any additional donations that you want to add in addition to the price of the kits would be greatly appreciated. But Lori and I want to say thank you and happy creating, and spread some joy. Thanks so much. Toodaloo.